Yo, what's up, what's up? It's your boy Black Wheel SS and I'm back again with another video. This here's another how-to video. I've been searching so long for how to remove a serpentine belt for a 2008 Honda Pilot. Nobody seems to have one. The 2007 and under, I mean like 2003 to 2007 or 2001 to 2007. If I'm wrong, my apologies. I like to get straight into it. So they say 14 millimeters. Or 16 millimeters, yeah, 14 millimeters, I'm sorry. This one, 2008, 2009, no, that is absolutely wrong. That is a lie. No, there's no such thing as a 14 millimeter on for a serpentine belt for a 2008 Honda Pilot with the 3.5 liter V6, okay? What you're gonna have to use, I'm gonna show you guys all the tools I got lined up already. So, this is what I'm gonna use. This is literally all the tools you use. What I'm doing is, my apologies, I'm replacing the power steering pump, which is right here, connected to the power steering pulley, which is right here. What I'm gonna need for the pulley is a 10 millimeter socket. That's all you need. 10 millimeter socket for this bolt right here, this bolt right here. Also a 12 for this bolt over here. Sorry that y'all can't see. Let me switch the camera. So right here, okay? I believe it's another one somewhere. I'm just gonna have to play it by feel when I try to take it off. But it should be another one. I think it's 212 millimeters on the pump itself. When that time comes, we'll get to it, okay? So that's all you need for the pump. For the pulley, I'm just gonna throw this whole pulley away. I got a brand new pump with a pulley attached to it already. Okay, now to remove the serpentine belt, this is how to remove serpentine belt. Okay, what I got, this small socket with a 19 millimeter. Okay, and I'm gonna show you guys where it's at. It's literally right here. Okay, so this is your alternator, right? This is your alternator, which is right here. This is the alternator pulley with my finger. Right across, just go right across. You see the little bolt right there? It's a 19 millimeter. It's next to this pulley right. Come on. It's next to the pulley right here my hand is at. Okay? It's right here. That's a 19 millimeter. Where's my phone? Let me show y'all. Get some light for y'all. It's right there. That's the 19 millimeter right there, okay? That's the one you got to put this 19 millimeter socket on. And what I'm using today, let me leave this down here. What I'm using today, my uncle, Mr. Overhead Man himself, teach me how to get away with stuff because I don't have a breaker bar. I'm out of town fixing the car, so don't have a breaker bar, but luckily my jack, my pipe to my jack, to the 2-ton, what I did was just split it off right here, the top end portion with the skinny part, and I'm gonna slide it on here, and I'm gonna attempt to break it. All right, so let's get started. All right, guys, like I said, it's right here. Okay, 19 millimeter. Make sure you go counterclockwise. I mean, go to your left. Go to your left. This is to your right. This is to your left. Or easy, take it back towards the engine. This is the front. Take it towards the back, towards the cab itself, the car itself, the vehicle itself. All right, it's for a 2008 Honda Pilot up. So when I push this up, right, that way, this belt, you should see this belt get loose. Oh, before you get anything done, make sure you take a picture or video of how the belt is. Also gonna need this clamp. This clamp is for this, this C-clamp is for the, this little clamp right here to remove the power steering hole. And yes, it's gonna leak. It should leak unless you already ran out of power steering fluid. If you did, shame on you. All right, so let's get to it, fellas and ladies. Oh. All right, so See it moving? Got loose. And there you go. So I'm gonna keep it like this. Use the other one to just come across like this and keep it like this. That way the belt don't move no more. It should be good. Take it like this. There we go. Oh yeah, we in the game now. We in the game. Oh, that's smart thinking. That's some smart thinking. Alright, so there we go. I'm gonna leave it like that. You see, my belt is still fully intact, all the pulleys, except this one and also the power steering pump, which is just perfect. So next, what I'm gonna do is go ahead and take my 10mm, get this top one off, get them both loose. Alright. Keep your stuff where you know where it's at. I used the 10mm, so now next is the 12mm for this one over here. Oh shoot. Alright, this one gonna be a little bit of challenge. That's why we always work with what we got, so still be grateful at the end of the day, y'all. Some people pay folks to do this. And some folks go to the dealership and they charge arm, leg, a thigh, wing, and all that. And I'm giving y'all this for free, man. What y'all gonna pay me? Shoot. Let's go ahead and take this one. There you go. There you go, you leak it, dude. I'm trying to put this. Oh, it's hot. Right. I think it's another one. Alright, so I think it's another one, because it ain't coming out. So, let me figure it out, and I'll let y'all know.
The struggle and the frustration behind the scenes.
Alright y'all, so just get a real good look at your new part. Since the oven is still intact and still on, of course, yeah. And it'll show you how many bolts you need to take off. So I know what is that. The black hose right here for the power steering pump is direct up under here, slanted back toward the engine right here. Where you see is that right here, the wrench is at socket. It's a 12mm as well. So just untighten that, and you can see, voila. See the power steering jumped off? The power steering pump dropped off, sorry. There y'all go. So, alright folks. Voila. Now imagine, huh? So, I don't think the leaks were right here. Do me a favor. Make sure y'all check y'all seals. Alright, y'all see it right here up in here where your power steering stuff go. Power steering hole. Make sure you check your seals, alright? Make sure your seals good. no abrasion, bros, or cuts, anything of that nature. Cause you do, then you put it back together, then you just did this long job, hard working job for nothing. All right. So yeah, go ahead and do that type of stuff. You know what I'm talking about? And there you go. Like I said, I took this one off. Let me put it back. Take this hose off. Just be careful with the belt though. Turn it up so you don't dip out any power steering fluid off up in there.
Feels so fat. That. Stop playing with the dough. What you doing, Zara? Let me sit down here and play. I ain't seen him all week.
Brand new pump. So there you have it, folks. It takes like 40 minutes to do. No squeaking. It's not hard anymore. Smooth. That's normal to hear the sound when you first start it up because it's a brand new pump. So the pump got to push all the power steering fluid in there quick. But since that's the case, make sure you check the power steering fluid. It still look good. So they don't tell us the pump was kicking the old stuff out when pushing through. But that one like super duper stiff, so like magic. Peace out, y'all.
I can't wait till I'm rich. I'ma hop out with them bands.